couldn't tell, right? We're by the tigers.
There's a butterfly.
Yeah, butterflies.
And fishies.
Fishies.
It's about to rain.
Yeah, we think it's about to rain. There's the elephants over there.
Yeah, so let's just get right to it.
So where do we get these from?
So we got these wine bags at Go Games Toys. And toys. Okay.
Yeah, hold up, you're shaking it. I can't see. I'm getting a headache. Okay, sweet. So we got these and we're at the Grapevine Mills Mall.
Yes. So yeah.
The Dallas area,
yeah,
so
Dallas.
Check it out.
So I'm just gonna try to open this. We don't have our scissors, but I'm just gonna try to open it like a, like chips.
Oh man.
You know, I'm just gonna freestyle
Don't cut yourself.
I'm just gonna stab this and get this, trying to get this open. Almost got it.
Oh wow. Oh wow. You okay?
Did it hurt me? Okay, almost got this.
Hold on, let me help.
Got it.
Finally got them open.
Yeah, I stabbed Rainbow Dash. Sorry, Rainbow Dash. Okay, let's just get this open. Sweet cream scoops, and this is based on Wave 1 sweet cream scoops. And then I saw Ben's Toy Bin, and I showed my dad this, and they were openings this, and it was like just like this, like this.
And that was in the Wave 1?
Yeah, Wave 1.
Okay.
And then I really like that that they had like ice cream and food stuff because I love food.
Oh, he's up there talking to us. What's up? What's up? What's up, man? Okay, go, Mace.
I got sugar grape food stuff.
Another food stuff. Bond bags for dinner.
And I love her hair. Sugar grape. Dory, look at Dory. Dory.
Dory's swimming.
Dory. There's lots of Dories.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Gorillas are going. Gorillas are going.